So there is a super annoying bounce on websites. It's really, really annoying. And I looked through so many different CSS tutorials to try and get rid of it. I thought it was something I had programmed incorrectly. But it turns out actually it's the Edge browser has this amazing feature which is this elastic overscroll. So what you need to do is just type in your browser Edge with flags, and then when you find elastic overscroll, so just search for scroll, you just disable it. When you disable it, just restart the Edge browser, and then when it restarts, you'll find that the super annoying Edge bounce has stopped. So that was just a super quick way to make your life a little more pleasant. So that's just getting rid of the edge bounce. Thank you.